Good fucking morning. It is 8:11. My mom and I are here to eat breakfast. So, round two. Bacao. Yes. I got lemonade today. Bye. That's all I gotta say. I need to go get ready still, so. Ooh, girl, my eyes still crusty. Peace. Hi, it's home. Okay, this is day 2. Here we go. My phone clothes is under this sweater. I need to take this sweater off. I didn't even look at myself in the mirror. Yo, my collar might be messed up. Here we go. Day 2. And then we're gonna judge this shit and then we're leaving because it's a little late. But I'm wondering how it's gonna be today though, because yesterday three groups really stood out to me. 3. But I remember like my top 5. So we'll see how they are today. And then we'll see the final results and see what the other judges think too. Here we are, day 2. This parking shit is a little up. No, it's okay, I like it. See, clutch box, nó đang ai lúc bé không? Sao lòng. See? No. My dad's coming out of my fucking duffel bag. Oh wait, what is this? Is this a duffel bag? I forgot what it's called. But Exposition Center. Girl, yesterday we came through the other side doors. I think it was like the back doors for like the vendors. And so girl, that shit was a fucking mess because again we came for the fucking vendors door. And I came through these doors because I had to come get the tickets for today. And I was so confused. I came out these exit doors. Security, yeah. So I came through these exit doors and then I came around over here and there's like only one entrance for the Hmong New Year entrance, and I didn't go through those doors because I was like, all these doors seem like they're locked, but they weren't. And again, it was a hot fucking mess. But here we are again. So ready. Wow. So we are here eating before I have to go judge in a bit. It is 11:20. I think they're starting the Ningonjo pageant, so I think it should be done soon. We'll see though. But here's my food. Yes. Period. So yeah, I just need to make sure that I'm on time. I'm gonna eat quick and then I'm gonna go back over there so I can just wait and make sure that I'm not late. But yes. Come on, chọc câu. No, but there's no more chọc câu. Đó các bạn pakai flash sẽ bắt pakai bao. Okay, so it is 11:45. They're finishing up the Ningonjo contest right now. Yes, Miss Girl, slay, period. But yeah, and then they're gonna call up the dance judges soon. So yeah, it's gonna be my turn to go up there, girl. So we'll see how this goes. Round 2, I'm excited.
Vang Zhang was born and raised in La Crosse, Wisconsin. Vang is currently attending the University of Wisconsin-La Crosse, earning his bachelor's degree. Growing up, Vang always enjoyed singing and dancing. He started dancing at the age of 12 when he first joined show choir. Then on, he was then taken the role as team captain, where he leads his show choir of 40 individuals, choreographing for a local lacrosse schools and teaching peers dancing. With 9 years of experience, Yang still loves to learn and cover K-pop and hip-hop dances. On his free time, he dances and listens to K-pop and watches BL dramas and Korean dramas. Vague wishes all the teams good luck on their performances today and can't wait to see all the amazing groups.
Day 2 done. Oh my gosh. That was a lot. They did fucking amazing. Blazing Sapphire, y'all did fucking amazing. But it was such a great experience. I'm excited to see who wins. But we'll see how it goes. We'll just see how it goes. I got a photo with the City and Onyx and Amylite. But again, we shall see how the results out. Today I was going back and forth. I was either like, I wasn't like being nice, but these groups really fucking pulled this shit today, okay? They really pulled that shit out and fucking did amazing today. And so, girl, period fucking is. Period fucking is. They did amazing. And yeah, I think they all deserve to win, obviously. But that ain't gonna fucking happen. So we'll just see what happens today. Good job. I was nervous though. I was nervous. Okay, because after the first group went, I was like, ooh. I just started like thinking about shit. And I was like, my fucking pants are too fucking short. Because my fucking shit was like short. My shit was like this when I was on that fucking chair. And so I was like, girl, don't be fucking with me right now. But that was what I was thinking when I was on that fucking chair. They had this fucking water bottle there that the bottom wasn't even fucking flat. So that shit was pissing me off, okay? I was like, this fucking water bottle is gonna fucking throw me off, bother me. But I just left that be. And yeah. Would I do this again? Hell fucking yeah. I kind of like judging. You know, I always like already judge groups. So it would be very fun to do it again. Nhá xong này để cái sẽ tận này gặp fruits. Nên đã chờ. Wow.
Login.
Wow.
Cho con mua nhà.
Chưa tập lâu.
Thì chỉ tập lâu rồi. Gì á? Rất dài.
Wow, looks so good. Cô chê cô được khó đó. Cô không không nó. Cô khen nó cho món sausage and sticky rice bên nào bà. Finished it. I won long yet. Now I ate the táo. Yeah. Girl, we just. Huh? Now we're just waiting for these results because they have to make sure that there's no ties. If there are ties, then we have to do some shit, I think. But hopefully there's no ties. But we'll see how this goes. Let's see how long it takes. It's been almost 30-ish minutes now, so hopefully they calculate it quick. Okay, they're about to announce varsity results in a bit. So I'm record it, cause why the fuck not, you know?
被帮菜或督菜或耶 Best costume 有 Minnesota Sunshine. Alright, 给八督菜和用菜为耶 Best sportsmanship 莫洛北湖我 The last award you know, Best Choreography. Big Bonsai, La Bonsai winning Best Choreography. Mono Beihua. Blazing Sapphire. của dành thi ó chồng nó một lúc bị hùng hồ Minnesota Sunshine! Congratulations to Minnesota Sunshine của dành thi ó chồng nó. Okay, finally we're here, right? First place. Ngay sa akin na tiyak yung netong show. Yung yung chiya, yung yung piinit, yung yung chinoli. Còn một sáng cho trả lúc nó bị tá bổng ha. Okay, một bóng nào. Bán thải là tú thải của dành thi ý chồng nọ. Một lâu bị hùng hỏa. Congratulations to Blazing Sapphire. Congratulations to all you ladies. Các quý vị là những kỷ niệm thiên sự tú. Hãy cho đến những tình cảm của mình đi cho các bạn
Good job, everyone. Y'all did amazing. Period. Great job. I'm so proud of you all. Period. Y'all slayed. Hello. Hello. And so that is all for this weekend. Hey, now we are going home, girl. It is fucking late as fuck, and so we are going home. With my parents. But that was such a good experience. I had so much fun. Excuse me. So it was Blazing Sapphire first. Second was Minnesota Sunshine. And third was Luna Bellas. So, period. Congrats to all the groups. It's fucking cold as fuck outside. But I think right now it's 3. So we should be getting home around 6-ish. But yeah, it was good. That was a good experience. Again, I would totally love to do it again because period. That was so fun. It just gave me the nerves again just to see all the groups and see what they would win. Throwback to Shockwave gives me them vibes. But yeah, it was really fun. And I hope I get the opportunity to do it again in the future. But we'll see. But yeah. Okay. Goodbye, Milwaukee. We're going back to fucking the cross. Peace.
Còn dây cũ mô, cũ lu xia cũ nhỏ chỉ